Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer liquid in Arc Mobile using an easy method. Making beer is a fantastic way to get powerful buffs for your character and tame certain creatures more effectively. We'll cover everything from gathering the necessary resources to setting up your brewing station and collecting your finished product. Let's get started on brewing your very own Arc Mobile beer. To begin, you'll need to gather a few key ingredients. For each batch of beer, you'll require 40 thatch and 50 of any type of berry. Water is also absolutely essential for the brewing process. Make sure your beer barrel has a continuous water supply, either from a tap, irrigation pipe, or even a water skin in its inventory. Gathering these items is the first step to your successful brew. Next, you'll need to craft and place your beer barrel. Once built, position it in a convenient spot, ideally near a water source. Connect it to an irrigation system or place a filled water skin inside its inventory to ensure a constant water supply. Then, simply add your 40 thatch and 50 berries into the barrel's inventory. The barrel will then begin the brewing process automatically. After adding your ingredients, the beer barrel will begin fermenting. This process takes 6 in-game hours to complete. Once finished, you can collect the beer liquid directly from the barrel's inventory. Remember, beer can spoil, so use or store it properly. Don't forget to check the video description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy brewing, survivors!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.